Driving by yesterday and I noticed that lots of water on this side. It's a big lowland area, marsh. With this culvert. I mean, some water's coming through, but not enough. Solid. So my guess is the beavers plugged that up on this side. Of course, now the water's so high you can't get out there to unplug it, and I imagine there's a bit of current, so there's probably not much ice to stand on, so this could be a little bit entertaining. So see what I can do. On second look too, you can see there's another flow of water coming out right there. So it's actually going around the culvert, going underneath the road. And it must be coming through here, because you can see how this is opened up where there's a little bit of current. So I imagine that the underside of this road is getting undermined, and all that sand that you see piled down there is coming out of the roadbed from underneath. So we're supposed to get 10 mils of rain and plus 12 or something. So a couple days from now there wouldn't be a road here. So let's watch me fall in the lake.
That's looking a little more like it.
That went pretty good. I thought I was gonna have to stand a little bit out on the ice, but so that's why I had the hip waders, but that wasn't bad standing with the planks just on that grate. As I took the mud and sticks away from the bottom of the grate, it got tippier. So I imagine I'll have to come back here in a couple of days. That beaver, I'll probably have that plugged back up again, but at least now that area is draining and it shouldn't cause them any issues. So now I got to go down another middle of nowhere back road and shovel out a couple parking spots. So that worked good. A bit of work, but I think they're going to be able to fit both the vehicles here. He's got a half-ton Dodge Ram, and I think, well, both their cars, I believe it's like a Suzuki Swift or something small like that. It's a real small car, so if he pulls his small car in here, and then he should be able to nose over here with his truck and get everything off the road. I'm going to stand here this weekend, so great. Well, I'm glad I didn't have to use my backup plan, the scoop. But yeah, I'm sure there's going to be some people that say, well, why? If you had the Honda, you know, you can make short work of that job. But I don't know, this thing works pretty good. I mean, Noma performance, I mean, it's got to be pretty good, right? And I mean, check that out. Wouldn't want to put that on that nice red paint. And yeah, it moved all that snow with using less than a tank of gas. So the thing constantly needs to be fixed, but when it works pretty good, considering I bought it for $100. So cool. Thanks for watching.